Hey guys, Mr. Polo here, and today I'm doing the review of the high-grade Gipsy Avenger. Alright, here is the Gipsy Avenger itself. Now, I have this kit for lying around my backlog for about a couple of years, and I didn't get around to until building it recently. And I gotta say, it's a really solid kit. I mean, very detailed, very solid, and a very interesting build because it's not like the usual Gundam kit I've been building, and it's very interesting. Like, it's a very nice build. I really enjoyed it. And like I said, as I mentioned, this kit is really detailed. Like you can see a lot of details and on the panels, on the lining, all that. It's pretty good. It's really solid. I really like that. And well, like I said, as I mentioned before, it's really solid. And when it's solid, it's nothing is falling apart. It's pretty good. Now, in terms of stickers, there are no stickers because all you see here is all plastic. Although you do get some marking stickers if you want to use them, but I decided not to use it. I mean, it would be even better if you actually do some dry brushing in this kit and it look better. But as of now, I'm just gonna leave it as a street build. So yeah, so it's a very nice build. I enjoy this build. Detail is pretty good, and everything is used in plastic. None of the parts need to be corrected, so that's pretty good. Alright, for articulation, it's pretty good as well. The head is on a ball joint. Although it don't really move much because the design of the Jaeger. So the head it can rotate, but it's gonna tilt the other side. And there's a hinge in there. It doesn't move much. The arms, there's a hinge that can allow that arm to swing forward and back, just like a polycap on a gun kit. The arms can rotate all the way around, though. Although you have to be careful because the thrusters here do get in the way. But it can rotate, and the arms can go out that far. This flag can move up and down. Rotation below the shoulder, doubles on the elbow. Yeah, that's pretty good. Ball joint on the wrist. Torso, there's a ball joint here and here. So when you move, you can move it side to side, and you can move forward and back. Yeah, pretty good. And the hips are on a joint, so they can tilt side to side. It's really tight, so be careful. And you can go forward that far. Not much back because the design of the armor. Trying to see anything. Okay. Again, out not so much because again, this is the Jaeger rotation at the hip. Double joint knee, very good. I mean, this is for Jaeger, is pretty good. And the I'm trying to just here, sorry. The ankles can move forward and back, and the foot is on a ball joint. And the little thrusters, they're on swivel joints. So articulation, yeah, I mean, it hinders a little bit hinders some areas. I mean, for a Jaeger, that's pretty good. I mean, it is mostly designed of the Jaeger, so it is hindering some areas. But overall, it's not bad. I mean, it doesn't really affect the articulation of some of the arms and the hips. Overall, I think it's still pretty good. Alright, accessories. Well, okay, let's start with hands. First of all, you do get 2 closed fists, and you do get an open left palm hand. So let me do that one post in the trailer I saw. That's the. Right. I'm sorry. No, left hand. That's the right hand. My apologies. But the reason why I use this hand is because of that pose in the trailer. You didn't want to do that, do you? If I try my moment, let me. You can do it. You just have to fiddle around with it. You get my point, but yeah, you know, you can do it. It just has you just have to fiddle around with it. But yeah, that's for the manipulators. Now let's go on to the weapons, if I can remember. Okay, first of all, you get the chain sword, which is this is the melee weapon for the Avenger. Basically, just remove the arm and just replace it with this, like so. Yeah. And if I forget, you're supposed to take the hand as well. So just plug it in like that. Yeah, pretty good. And for the there's no referring. Let me check real quick. The left arm. Oh yeah, you get the which one is it? Yes, this one. You can also get for the right arm. You get the plasma caster. I remember it's something like a laser weapon. You can also take this out. And so I'm trying to see how to do it. something like that. Yeah, yeah, there we go, just like that. So he can fire and shoot, but most of the time I prefer to display with the chainsword. And for the right arm, you take this out and you get the gravity sling. If I try to remember how to do it correctly, it's supposed to be. I'm trying for a minute, give me a moment. Like that, I think. Something like that. There we go. And yeah, so accessories. I mean, this is the what you get if you get the normal Gipsy Avenger. But I'll explain more when I get onto the final dots. But yeah, accessories are pretty good. I mean, for a Jaeger from Pistol, it's pretty good. You get a decent amount. I mean, for like this, I mean, not a lot, but still, for what Jaeger is pretty good. Or for comparisons, well, let's bring on. Well, I don't really have a compare with, but let's bring in a no high grade Hazel Custom. Yep, Gipsy Avenger definitely taller because I'm not sure what scale the Pacific kits are actually, but I know for sure they are taller. They're not the same scale, that's for sure. But Gipsy Avenger definitely taller in terms of high grade, and just because I have it here, Zeta Plus. Yeah, Zeta Plus is kind of a tall suit as well, so they're about the same height roughly. I mean, I think Zeta Plus is slightly shorter in a way. But yeah, so a review. Alright, that's a review of the high grade Gipsy Avenger. Now this kit is amazing. I really love this kit. I mean, I know I really wish I had built this earlier, but you know what? It's fine. I got a building and it's already done. So yeah, in terms of the details, it's very detailed for a kit. Like I really love the colors on this thing. I mean even the metallic glass, which I think just say right now, the nubs are okay in this kit. Just that I think when it comes to metallic parts, nubs are a little bit obvious, but other than that, it's pretty detailed. It's pretty nice in terms of the color scheme. And if you do dry brushing, that's even better. And well, there are no stickers. That's pretty good. It's pretty good, aside from the marking stickers I mentioned earlier. But other than that, it doesn't really need that for me. At least for me, articulation is pretty good. Although I would say the arms and the legs are slightly hindered. The accessories are they are what they are. I mean, that's why you have to use Avenger. And I just realized there's another version of Gipsy Avenger, which is the final build specification. So if you might be wondering, should I get this or the final build specification? My recommendation is just go for this final balance specification because I mean I really wish I gotten it later, but I didn't, so I don't have this at the time being. So yeah, I mean I'm so happy. I mean even though the final balance specification you get more parts, and you even get the chainsaws from the Obsidian Fury. Yeah, it's a very nice kit. I mean if you, I'm pretty sure by the final version, it's gonna be more get more stuff in it. But other than that, I think this kit will be pretty good as for now for myself. So overall, it's a very great kit. I highly recommend if you can get it, you guys get it if you can find it. That is because I got it 2 years ago, so I'm not sure we're gonna reissue this kit anytime soon. But yeah, it's a really good kit, solid build, very detailed build, fun to play around with, and I highly recommend you guys can get it, especially the final battle version if you can find it. So yeah, that's what guys. Thanks for watching this review, and stay tuned for my videos. Peace out.